If you want to excel in maths and science, then do click on the link given in our description box and visit on the website of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya and do enroll on our Don't Memorize course, which you can avail up to 90% discount. Here you can enhance your maths and science skills with the help of our conceptual videos, flashcards for quick revision, mock test as per latest pattern of your exams with 24/7 doubt clearance sessions with the facility of masterclass. To get extra 10% discount in addition, you can use our coupon code, that is NT10. So for more details, check out the link given in our description box. Hello everyone, so in this video we will be learning about Hund's rule and we will be covering some relevant information that will be helpful to solve this Hund's rule. So let's begin with our topic. So friends, in Hund's rule, it is mainly about the pairing of electrons. So in short, we can say that it is only about the pairing of electrons. So electrons that do not start to pair up in a subshell until all orbitals are filled at least once. So you can see here, these boxes are called as orbitals and these blue and red arrows are the electrons that are filled in these orbitals. So for example, it is shown here that the correct form to fill the number of electrons is right in this way, because we cannot leave any box blank. All these orbitals are needed to be filled at least for the once. If you leave any orbital without filling any electrons, so it will not be accepted. So let's understand this by a few examples. So if we take example of nitrogen, as you all know that nitrogen have atomic number of 7. So if we write the electronic configuration of this, then it will be 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p3, and the number of orbitals as have is 1, that will be filled to the maximum number of electrons, that is 2. It will also have orbital which will be filled by 2 electrons, but in this p subshell it will have 3 orbitals and we have the maximum number of electrons, that is 3. So we can easily fill 3 different electrons in these 3 orbits. So here Hund's rule tells this thing only, that none of these orbital will be left without filling. We have to fill at least, even we can fill it with the parallel spin. Okay, so let's take one more example for this of oxygen. Oxygen have the atomic number 8. So the electronic configuration of oxygen will be 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p4. So the number of orbital s will have 1, in which we can fill maximum 2 electrons, and p will have the number of orbitals, it will be 3, and here we have the maximum number of electrons is 4. So if we can fill, that means if we will fill 1 electron here, 1 here, 1 here, it would be 3, but we have to fill total number of 4 electrons. Okay, so it's up to you. You can fill this 4th one here also, here also, here also. So let's fill it here, and this will be the correct method of doing it according to the Hund's rule. Neither of these orbitals will be left alone. Remember this, because Hund's rule tell us this thing only, that neither of these orbitals will be left alone, because electrons in a subshell are paired only when all the orbitals of a subshell is half filled with parallel. What is parallel spin? These. If the arrows are in the same direction, it is known as parallel spin, that we have done here. Okay, we have haven't left any orbital alone. You can fill it. You can fill it even with the parallel spin, but you don't have to leave any orbital alone. So I hope students, the concept of this video is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.